Hi, hello, hola, bonjour, see you, namaste, salam. Woohoo! It's time to celebrate. You are part of India's largest digital marketing webinar. I repeat, you are part of India's largest digital marketing webinar. Hello, I am Atharva Agarwal, founder of Extensive Marketing Strategy, webinar international motivational speaker, leadership consultant, and business coach. In the next 45 minutes, you're going to learn my strategy on how to increase your income by 10 times with digital marketing. I repeat, you can increase income by 10 times after this webinar. Isn't it exciting? Come on, let's start. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is steps to your growth. I repeat, yes, it's true. They are steps to your growth. By the end of this webinar, you will be able to use digital marketing as your growth weapon. This weapon can conquer everything. I repeat, this weapon can conquer everything. Don't forget, at the end of the webinar, I am going to give you a link where you can master the whole magical process. Yeah, it's totally a magical process. Stay tuned to the end. I will give you a link which will change your life. I know there are distractions all around us, but this strategy is going to change your life. I repeat, this strategy is going to change your life. Isn't this annoying? Yes, let's make a commitment. Close your social media, stop checking your emails, turn off your cell phone, as this webinar is going to change your life. And let me confirm one thing. This webinar is not free. You're being fooled. This webinar is not free. You need to pay me something. That's nothing but your attention. I repeat, you have to pay me your attention. In return, I'll increase your income by 10 times. I will show you the way. I will lead you to the goal. So stay tuned. Wait till end of this webinar. Increase your income by 10x. I have promised this. I have promised this in the beginning of this webinar. So in this webinar, I am going to share you Fortune 500 companies success mantra. It can make you $1 billion of fortune. I'm not joking. Stay tuned. You will understand the magic of digital marketing. We are on, I guess. Turn off your notifications for the next 45 minutes. Thank you. We are on. You might be thinking, who am I to explain you, or who am I to share this webinar? I floated many companies which are running successfully till date and redefined many failure startups. And in this failure, there are many startups, and I have redefined many careers too. So I guess this webinar will always be helpful. You can record and use it for further basis also. In this webinar, we'll get through these phases. Imagine what your life will be like after you know how to grow. I repeat, imagine your life. How would it be when you grow? Can you see this path? Would that make things better for you? Just imagine this path. Your present career conditions, increased competition in the years are decreasing your efficiency. There are huge tons of competitions outside in this world in which you cannot grow easily. But with digital marketing, you can become a social influencer, increase your income by 10 times instantly. I repeat, you can increase your income instantly with digital marketing. In this webinar, I will share you all the factors and all the factors which make digital marketing the best and easiest method to increase your business, redefine your career, get a job, or build a strong foundation. I'll share you the top 3 secrets which Fortune 500 companies are using. You can see there are no overnight successes in the corporate industry. Do you think there are? No, there are no overnight successes. There are almost lakhs of company with $1 million turnover, but only 500 companies could make into that list. Can you guess why? Have you asked this question anytime? I will give you 5 seconds. Ask why. Why only 500 companies are making into this list when there are millions of companies with $1 million turnover? Yes, I'm going to share the answer now. I'm going to share the top 3 are making this Fortune 500 companies a success. Secret number one, and yeah, please don't share this with anyone because this is an exclusive secret between you and me. I repeat, don't share. Take your pen and list it down. Secret number one, whatever the industry might be, this secret works. Yes, whatever the industry might be, this secret works. Not only industry, whoever you might be a student, businessman, a job seeker, anyone who has enthusiasm, they can conquer the world. I repeat, they can conquer the world with this secret. First, let me show what are the Fortune 500 companies which are listed 2019. The Fortune 500 companies include Walmart, Amazon.com, ExxonMobil, Apple, CVS Health, Berkshire Hathaway, United Health Group, McKesson, AT&T, Amesres Bergon. So I have given a pause to let you think. Ranking in this top 10 isn't much hard. Anyone can rank with the secrets now which I'm going to share with you. So stay tuned. Anyone can rank high. It takes a little bit of time and process. You can see Walmart increased its revenue with by $523.9 billion only because of digital marketing. Can you see this? This article, Walmart holds 90 million shopper visits only on their websites and mobiles. And those 90 million customers are available to you and me. The only way they are able to capture those customers is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is main factor of digital marketing, which makes your company rank top in the search engines. Search engine optimization is a process which takes your company or your profile top in the search engines. Search engine optimization makes you available to the customer when they need you. It's more like a potential customer asking for your service. So being available for them can get you billions of dollars. Not only Walmart, one day your company, one day you might be getting 90 million shoppers with the perfect SEO. I am going to show you where you will get this perfect SEO and where can you learn this by the end of this session. And the second, I'm going to discuss about Apple. You might heard about Apple. It's a smartphone company. Okay, so its growth from 2004 to 2014 is $8 billion to $180 billion. It's only because of digital marketing. Yes, you heard it right. It's only because of digital marketing. I'll give you 10 seconds. Can you tell me how many zeros are there in $180 billion? Just come on, try. No, right? Yeah, our reach is that far away, but the process to reach that goal isn't far. I will show you the process by the end of this session. This is secret number one. Let me recap secret number one for you again. Digital marketing is the unseen soul behind success of every Fortune 500 company. They could make this only because of digital marketing. You can grow exponentially with digital marketing. I repeat, you can grow exponentially with digital marketing. The most important factor of digital marketing is search engine optimization. Master search engine optimization so that you could conquer the world and you could rank number one in any search engine. That's it. Note down the secret number one. Now, let's move on to the secret number two. Can you imagine a vehicle? Yes. Make a picture of a vehicle. Now, imagine that vehicle moving. Yes. Tell me the important factor of that vehicle. I'll give you 5 seconds. What is making that vehicle move? Yes. Your answer might be engine, fuel, etc., etc. But wrong. It's wheel. Yeah, wheels are making the vehicle move. So our second secret is magical digital wheel. Yes, it's really magical. This wheel was the vehicle for many entrepreneurs. Digital marketing helps you reach heights. It is the wheel behind your growing graph. Rotate the wheel, reach the top. It's that simple. You have to rotate the wheel, you will grow. But let me share you one thing. Who makes a wheel for you? Yeah, that's you. You must learn digital marketing. You must make the wheel for yourself and you have to rotate. I will create a path for you. I will show you the goal, but you must create the wheel for yourself and you must move forward. Then you can reach success. Let me show you some entrepreneurs who use digital wheel for this success. And the top one is Jeff Bezos, the richest man of the world. Yeah, Jeff Bezos is succeeding only because of digital marketing. Yes, I'm confident enough to say that Jeff Bezos is succeeding only because of digital marketing. Why don't you approach digital marketing? Think, what's stopping you? List down. What's stopping you? Everyone has an access to learn digital marketing. Learn digital marketing today, you can conquer the world tomorrow. I repeat, learn digital marketing today, you could conquer the world tomorrow. Let me show you some case studies and examples. Ryan Dace used our secret. Yes, he used our secret. This entrepreneur is building $1 billion median empire, and it all started from its dorm room. Yes, it featured in Forbes article. So Ryan Dice started digital marketing. He started implementing digital marketing from his dorm room. Now he's making millions and millions from his room. Okay, the mobile in which you are watching this webinar, the computer or laptop which you are using to watch now can earn you billions of dollars. The only thing you need is the correct method of approach. Yes, by the end of this webinar, you will know how to approach. Let's continue. Neil Patel. He's now the influential genius of digital marketing. He owns the digital marketing industry and it is accessible to everyone. You can own the digital marketing industry. I can own the digital marketing industry. I confidently say within 5 years, I will reach Fortune 500 companies. My company will reach Fortune 500 companies. Are you confident enough to say this? No, right? But you will gain this confidence by the end of this seminar. Next is Barry Schwartz. Barry Schwartz has a search engine land, which is a public publication, and his net worth is $180 million. Can you imagine $180 million overnight? No, right? It needs a process. It needs dedication. It needs uh, perfect guidance. Everyone are not able to reach this success only because of lack of guidance. Next is Danny Sullivan, editor of Search Engine Land. His net worth is $70 million. He's earning this much only because of content writing. He's making content which can reach millions of people. He's making content which can reach billions and billions of people when they wish to read his content. Yes, when anyone search for something, his content is popping out. He's reaching the audience in the right time, in the right way. That's earning him billions of dollars. Can you imagine this? You can reach. Your phone in your hand can reach that. You just need a magical process, that's digital marketing. Next is Byron White. He's the owner of Writer Access. He provides content to influential content writers. Yes, he provides content to other content writers. In this way, he's earning almost 40 plus $1 million. After Byron White, let me introduce you an entrepreneur who is going to be the richest. who is going to enter the Fortune 500 companies list, who is going to earn billions of dollars within 5 years. Yes, I'm going to introduce you. And that's you. After this webinar, you will know the process through which you can earn in tons of billions of dollars. You are the next entrepreneur. Never lose your confidence. You are next entrepreneur. Let me share you secret number 3. Yes, secret number 3 is something which I can call it as open secret. Among all the 3 secrets now which I'm sharing, this is an open secret. Everyone know this. Yes, but they're not implementing, they're ignoring. So I tell you, please don't ignore this secret. It is digital marketing is the crucial factor for your survival. This is the only open secret which is being ignored by many companies. Many companies which are not able to rank are lacking this. They're neglecting digital marketing. Implement digital marketing. Are you an engineer? Are you a student? Are you pursuing degree in mass communications or any other? You can rank with digital marketing. It makes you unique in this competitive world. So this open secret is open to everyone. I'll show you from where you can get the best digital marketing training, from where you can master this process. Digital marketing is not a superpower. Yes, digital marketing is not a superpower. It is a super process. You need to master that. Digital marketing is a super process. Learn digital marketing and master that, then you can rank high. I repeat, digital marketing is a super process. This process includes building a website which offers service to your customers, then making a perfect search engine optimization for your website. Yes, by that your website can rank high. Search engine optimization is the crucial factor. After that, you need to build some backlinks for your website. This will help you reaching top in the search engines. And the next thing is nothing. You need to learn the process. Then you can conquer the world. Let me tell you an example. It's Micromax. I guess many of you use this company. This Indian company was a phone maker. In 2015, his worth was 21,000 crore. But in August 2019, his value is 1358 crore. Could you could you think what's the reason behind this? His digital marketing strategy was a failure. His digital marketing strategy was not perfect. Yes, Apple was also a phone maker, but its strategy is so perfect that it's making billions of dollars. Implement the correct digital marketing. Your career could be something inspirational to many other billion careers. So implement digital marketing now. With digital marketing, you can create an automated income source. Yes, you can create an automated income source. You know how? By implementing digital marketing in your business in overnight, you could get billions of orders by reaching the customers on the right time. In this way, you can watch income increasing in your bank account without doing anything. It's a one-time setup you need. It's a one-time foundation which can make you or which can take you to the goal. Let me tell you, there is a fight going in my mind between a good wolf and a bad wolf. The winner is dependent on who you feed. Okay, feed the right one in the right time. Do everyone are advertising you can bounce back with corona like this and like that, we will do that, we will do this. But let me tell you one thing, bounce back during corona, not after corona. So it's the right time. You got ample time to build your foundation. Build your foundation in such a way that it is everlasting and monumental. No one could break you and nothing can stop you. You're untouchable in this industry. Make yourself untouchable, make yourself strong. Digital marketing could make you something which is not you now. I guess learning is always better than being learned. I repeat, learning is always better than being learned. Calling yourself intelligent, calling yourself successful, calling yourself learned is something wrong. Learn every day, learn every moment, feed your brain with the right thing, feed your brain with the right process. Okay, I left you in a confusion, right? I left you in a chaos. You're in a confusion that how, where to start digital marketing. Yes, I know digital marketing courses are really expensive outside. Many organizations are offering digital marketing courses at almost 80,000, 70,000, and 40,000. But let me introduce you something. As I promised earlier, I'll show you some magical process and magical link where you can learn digital marketing. Let me clear you that digital marketing foundation includes something like working with a startup, working with Fortune 500 companies, working with a huge company, working with some billion-dollar company. This can build you a strong foundation. But who would give you job in that company? Who would allow you to work there? Yes, there are many companies which will allow you, but they're costing you around 80,000, 90,000, which is unfair. Money should never stop you by pursuing your career in digital marketing. Let me show you something. This is something, a training software which offers jobs at Facebook, IBM, OYO, SBI, Rapido, and many other startups. Their training is 100% job oriented. The training has live industrial projects. You'll get a 2 months internship and expected practical workshop. Yes, they provide you one-on-one mentoring. Who doesn't want one-on-one mentoring? Yes, a doubt pops up in your brain and it gets cleared immediately. That's what is an efficient learning method. Yes, you can do this at this company, and their offer is just 14,000. And in this exclusive webinar, I'm going to share you a discount voucher which would bring you 20% offer. Don't let anyone stop you. Pursue your career now. Don't let money stop you. It's as cheap as $500, 500 rupees, which you can start this digital marketing. Let me pop up the link and let me give you the coupon code through which you can claim the coupon. It's available only for 24 hours, and this coupon is between you and me. Yes, I'm saying this coupon is between you and me. This is an exclusive coupon code for you. So let me pop up the links. You can see in the chat, guys. Yes, go there, build your foundation. They will guide you, and I assure you, I am available 24 into 7. I will guide you. If there are any doubts, I am there. Don't worry about anything. They they offer almost 24 into 7 service. Yes. See, I am going to tell you the coupon code now through which you can avail your 20% offer. The coupon code is in the chat. It's DigiGrowHub 20. You can see after I apply the coupon, it's 11,999. You get instant discount of 2,999, and there are many EMI offers also available by many banks. You can easily purchase their courses, which are really helpful. And I'd like to confirm one thing. This is not a marketing webinar. This is a guidance webinar. I'm guiding you towards them because their service is like that. Yes, their service is impeccable. I learned digital marketing there, and now I in this position that I'm earning almost 1 lakh in 6 to 7 hours. Yes, I own a company and I'm confident that it reaches Fortune 500 list in more 5 years. Build your foundation now. Go there. Go to DigiGrow Hub. Learn with them. They will teach you the best digital course anywhere. You cannot find the best digital marketing course anywhere where, but you can find only at DigiGrow Hub. Go now. Apply the coupon. It's exclusive coupon. And I have a poll for you. Please answer this poll so that we could know much better. I could guide you much better. Cool. 92% say they are students. Let me say you one thing. Your career, your foundation will be taken care by DigiGrow Hub's digital marketing sessions. They provide you an interactive learning, live training, and corporate training. Their curriculum is designed by corporate experts, and you can always be ready to conquer the practical world. Yes, you will outstand your competitors. They will guide you. They will guide you until you get a job in multinational companies. They will give you free internship for 2 months. Yes, so go now. Vote. Vote for digital marketing. Apply digital marketing in your career. Be with DigiGrow Hub. Let me give you a poll. Did you find this webinar useful? Yes. Let me clear one thing. All the people who found it like they're answering maybe, let me guarantee you one thing. Your job is taken care by DigiGrow Hub. It's just 14,999, which is 40% more less than other competitive course or training platforms online. They provide you digital marketing for almost 80 to 90,000 per month. And DigiGrow Hub will provide you only at 14,999, and you have exclusive discount of 3,000 now with the coupon I have provided. You are getting this course for 11,999. If you are not interested in this, you can take digital marketing bootcamp, which is provided by DigiGrow Hub, which is only for 699 rupees. This also helps you in building your foundation. This also give you an insight into digital marketing. What is digital marketing, where to use, where to apply? All these questions are solved with our bootcamp course also. Okay guys, let me close this session. I hope this session improved you. I hope this session helped you. And let's end this session. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Let's build your future with DigiGrow Hub. Thank you.